Dear aspirants, good morning one and all. Welcome to Harshit Institute. Today we are discussing most important events regarding our examination point of view. First of all, recent appointment from PMO to international organization. First point, in our current affair part, very important, recently appointment from PMO. PMO means Prime Minister Office. Prime Minister Office to international organization. The private secretary of PM, Raju Topno was appointed as a senior advisor to executive director of World Bank. That is the most important. It was appointment was held recently. It was happened. So it is very important. He was worked as a private secretary of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He was appointed as a senior advisor to the executive director of World Bank. About the World Bank. What about the World Bank? The World Bank is an international financial institution that provides loans and grants to the government of poorer countries. We know very well about the World Bank very clearly. The World Bank is an international financial institution that provides loans and grants to the government of poorer countries. Okay. The World Bank, headquarters of the World Bank is Washington, DC. DC means District of Columbia, USA. Okay. Formation. The World Bank formation here is 1944, July. Here, World Bank. Now we are discussing about that World Bank. World Bank formation year is 1944, July. World Bank. Next, the membership countries in the World Bank are 189 in IBRD, 173 in IDA. 189 in IBRD and 189 in IBRD, 173 in IDA. Okay, IDA means, what is the meaning of IDA? What is the abbreviation of IDA? IDA means International Development Association. International, IDA means International Development Association. International Development Association. Next, IDA. IBRD means International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. In IBRD, 189 countries are there. The membership countries 189 are there, and IDA 173 are there. The World Bank comprises two institutions. These two institutions, IBRD and IDA. The World Bank is giving the loans to the poorer countries through the IBRD and IDA. So, World Bank means the comprises of two institutions, that is IBRD plus IDA. Okay. Headquarters of World Bank is in Washington, DC. Formation year is 1944, July. Okay. World Bank President David Malpass, we know very well, David Malpass, World Bank President. MD and CEO of World Bank, Anushla Kant. We have to remember these two names, very important in examination point of view. World Bank President David Malpass, and World Bank CFO, not CEO, CFO, Chief Financial Officer, Anushla Kant. Okay, this is about our recent appointment from Prime Minister Office to international organization, that is World Bank. His name is Raju Topno. Okay, next, Garrison declared as a summer capital of Uttarakhand. Garrison. Garrison is a one city. Garrison is a one city. It was declared as a summer capital of Uttarakhand. Summer capital of Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand governor Baby Rani Maurya declared Garrison as a new summer capital. Okay. Winter capital of Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Winter capital of Uttarakhand, Dehradun. You have to remember that one. Next. The Uttarakhand, formerly known as Uttaranchal. Formerly we are calling that one Uttaranchal, named as a, now it is called as a Uttarakhand, Uttaranchal. It is often referred to as a Devabhumi. Generally we are calling that Uttarakhand Devabhumi. Why? Because that it is called as a land of gods, because of temples. So many temples are there in Uttarakhand. So many Hindu temples are there in Uttarakhand. Because of that one only, the Uttarakhand is called as the land of gods, Devabhumi. Next, it is a got statehood. It's got statehood. The Uttarakhand got statehood in 9th November 2000. The CM of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat. He is from BJP. Trivendra Singh Rawat is the CM of Uttarakhand. The governor of Uttarakhand is Baby Rani Maurya. So these are the very important points. Then the third one, Richard Dawkins Award. Third one is, who got the Richard Dawkins Award? Richard Dawkins Awards. Richard Dawkins Award. Recently, who got the Richard Dawkins Award? It is presented by Atheist Alliance of America. Okay, Javed Akhtar has become the first Indian to receive the Richard Dawkins Award. He was awarded Padma Shri in 1999. He bagged Sahitya Award and Padma Bhushan Award also. What is his nature? What is his work? He activating the people by social media. He is activating. He is mobilizing the people by the social media. So, because of that one only, that American Atheist Alliance, there is one kind of, they have formed one, they are giving one kind of award. The award name is the Richard Dawkins Award. This award received by the Javed Akhtar recently. Just we have to remember this one also. This is very important for our examination point of view. Next, Korobot. What is meant by Korobot? The fourth one is Korobot. Korobot, Thane. An engineer from Thane. You know very well. Thane in Maharashtra. Thane in Maharashtra state and very near to Mumbai, and as well as Thane is called as a city of rivers. Not a state of rivers. City of rivers. So generally we are calling that one state of rivers. Okay. An engineer from Thane has developed an internet controlled robot. The bot is first its kind. The robot addresses the needs of the hospitals treating COVID-19 patients. Robot name is Korobot. He gave a name for that robot. The name is Korobot. This robot independently dispense food, water, medicine and other things. Next, though an application, it can be operate from anywhere in the world. It is a main important thing for this robot. So the robot name is Korobot. Koro means coronavirus, bot means robot. So it was an engineer from Thane. It was invented that one. It was developed that one kind of robot. It is it is the first time in the world. It is the first time in the world that kind of robot was created. Next, the fifth point is the Environmental Performance Index. India ranked 168. by 180 countries. Among 180 countries, India got 168 rank in Environmental Performance Index. The index released by the Yale University. Yale University, you know very well, Yale University is a very famous university in Yale. Yale University is a very famous university in USA. The university released an environmental performance index. In that index, they conducted out of 180 countries, India got 168th rank. Around 32 indicators were considered to create the ranking. It is very, very important. How many indicators are there for measuring the rank, for calculating the rank? How many indicators are there? Means the 32 indicators are there to give the rank, to indicate the rank, to announce the rank. Also, index provided 10 years performance at national and international levels. It is also observing the last 10 years performance in national and international level. All Southern Asian countries were ahead of India except Afghanistan. This is the most important. All South Asian countries were ahead of India except Afghanistan. So, Environmental Performance Index, India ranked 168 by 180. 168 by 180 means out of 180 countries, India got 168th rank. 168th rank in Environmental Performance Index. The index was released by Yale University in USA. It is a very famous university in United States of America. The total indicators are, how many indicators are there? Around 32 indicators are there to consider the create an ranking. Okay, the next point, J.R. Jetli Task Force. J.R. Jetli Task Force. What is J.R. Jetli Task Force? It is a team. The government of India has constituted J.R. Jetli Task Force that will work on the issue of women and child development. J.R. Jetli Task Force, recently it was created. Before in the budget session also, our Financial Minister Nirmala Sitharaman also announced this one, J.R. Jetli Task Force. It is a team. The government of India has constituted J.R. Jetli Task Force that will work on the issue of women and child development. It was constituted by the Ministry of Women and Child Development. The team will work on lowering the mortality rate and improve the neutralization levels and examine issues that are related age of motherhood. These are the main aims for this team, J.R. Jetli Task Force team. Next, maternal mortality rate, we call as MMR, maternal mortality rate in India. What is the maternal mortality rate, MMR, in India? According to sample registration system, the MMR in India 2015 to 17, 122 by 1 lakh. 122 by 1 lakh. Here, the consideration of MMR, MMR means maternal mortality rate. The consideration of MMR, a woman died while pregnant or within 40 days after termination of pregnancy as well. So these are the most important events in our coming examination point of view. So the first of all, we have to discuss about the recent appointment from PMO, Prime Minister Office, to international organization, that is the World Bank. Headquarters Washington DC, formation in 1944, and membership countries, most important in membership countries, IBRD 189, IDA 173. Why we are discussing about the IBRD and IDA? IBRD and IDA, the World Bank comprises two institutions, these two, IBRD and IDA. Okay, IDA membership countries are 173, IBRD membership countries are 189. Okay, next, the World Bank President David Malpass and MD and CFO, Chief Financial Officer, Managing Director, and Chief Financial Officer Anushla Kant. Most important. Next, Guidance. Guidance is one city. It was in the Uttarakhand. Recently, the government of Uttarakhand, the governor of Uttarakhand, Baby Rani Maurya was declared it is a summer capital. It was a summer capital. The winter capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. About Uttarakhand, it is called as Devabhumi. It is called as the land of gods because so many temples are there. In Uttarakhand, so many Hindu temples are there. Because of that one only, we are calling that one, it is Devabhumi. Next, the formation day of Uttarakhand. Formation day of Uttarakhand is 9th November 2000. CM is Trivendra Singh Rawat from BJP. Next, Richard Dawkinson Award bagged by Javed Akhtar recently, and Corobot was developed by Thane engineer. Thane is near in Bombay. Thane is called as a city of rivers. Next, the robo is this is the first time in the world. This robo can operate from anywhere in the world. Next, Environmental Performance Index. It was released by the Yale University from USA. Out of 180 countries, 168th rank we got. India got 168th rank. That is very important. Next one and the last one is Jaya Jetli Task Force. It is very useful task force. It is in a team for the development of the women and children. So these things are very important. What we have discussed, these all things are very important upcoming examinations. So we have to prepare all these things. Okay, thank you very much.